garlic, onion, asafoetida, green chilies, coffee, tea.
The problem with the negative pranic food is just this, the damage happens slowly and it tastes good.
Namaskaram. I had an incredible opportunity to spend 7 months of my life in Isha Yoga Center. It was truly life-transforming experiences I have ever had. The most remarkable thing and the thing which I miss the most is food over there, which is simple yet impactful. In ashram, we follow Sadhguru diet, which is completely free from onion and garlic and other negative pranic food. The difference this made on my energy level, my flexibility, or my overall well-being was profound. My body felt lighter, my sadhana was happening more effortlessly, even my sleep quota got reduced. But since returning home, I've started consuming onion and garlic here and there. And I can clearly see the difference. My flexibility isn't the same, my sadhana requires more effort, and I feel lethargic during the day also. Isn't it fascinating how food directly influences not just the body but also the mind and overall state of being? In this video, let's explore what Sadhguru has to say about negative pranic food and how they impact us.
We look at the negative pranic list, it's a much shorter list, but unfortunately, it may be a list of all your favorite things too. And top of the negative pranic list is garlic. Garlic is a very powerful medicine. But it's one thing to consume something as a medicine and it's an entirely different thing to consume it as a daily food substance. It has many medicinal qualities. In Ayurveda and Siddha, we use garlic in a very powerful way for specific ailments. But now your logic is, every day if I pop whatever medicine I can, I will be healthy. Garlic is a very powerful medicine if properly used. Daily consumption, no, because it plays on your nervous system big time. It is a very strong nervous stimulant. If you use garlic, your nervous system gets stimulated in a big way. Anything that stimulates nervous system holds you up for some time and then dumps you. Daily usage of nervous stimulants in any form will slowly get you to a place that you become insensitive to life, that you cannot experience.
Garlic is good for my heart, dissolves my cholesterol, good for my blood pressure, good for digestion. Even my doctor said I must eat garlic. If I can't eat garlic, there are some garlic extract, whatever. You need to understand this much. It is one thing to use something as medicine. It is something totally different to use the same thing as foodstuff. Yes, garlic is a very powerful medicine if properly employed. Because it is medicinal, if you just consume it as a part of your food, you're definitely causing damage to the system. In Ayurveda, you know what's Ayurveda? In Ayurveda, it says, every leaf and every root found on this planet has some medicinal quality in it. All the leaves and all the roots found on the planet have medicinal quality. Just a few we have learnt how to use. Rest we are yet to find out how to use. If you want to know what kind of damage garlic is doing to you, make an ounce of garlic juice and drink it on an empty stomach and see. We'll have to take you to the hospital for a stomach wash. That's the kind of reaction it will have. Don't drink it. The same goes for onion. Make an ounce of onion juice and drink it, you'll have similar reactions in the body. But with the onion, even when you're just cutting the onion, is the body saying yes to onion or no to onion? No, body is saying no, but you won't leave it, because somebody has told you it's good.
Garlic, onion, asafoetida, green chilies. Oh, asafoetida, maybe you're not used to it. It is something very commonly used in Indian cooking. It's a very strong stimulant. Coffee, tea. No, tea means the caffeine tea is the tea. Other things are just placebos. Okay, they're not tea. All these are nervous stimulants. Once in a way if you drink, they have some benefits. But if it becomes a daily thing, slowly it dulls your nervous system. Your ability to experience life is gone. I'm saying do everything by choice, then there's no problem. If you do it by choice, you know when to start, when to stop, isn't it? If you do it by compulsion, what you start you cannot stop. This is the whole problem.
Next comes chili. Here you call it green pepper, red pepper. Peppercorn is very good for you, but the green pepper and red pepper are negative pranic. You go off chili just for 30 days and then put little chili into the body, immediately you will have diarrhea. People from this part of the world, if they come to India, their greatest challenge is Indian curry. You can't handle it. You'll spend half the time in India in the toilet. People who come there first time not knowing, they ate food and it's very tasty, they ate it. Your tongue will like it, but your stomach can't hold it. You won't be able to hold. The moment the chili goes, diarrhea will happen. But you can get used to it. Just 30 days, you've eaten chili all your life. Just go off it for 30 days and then put little into it. Immediately the system wants to purge. It doesn't like it, but the tongue loves it. Chili is the spirit of India. Without it, nothing moves, The country moves on chili.
So onion and garlic are negative pranic food. What should we eat instead? The great option is millet. They are easy to digest. They are highly nutrient, and also they can keep your energy level stable throughout the day. Apart from this, you can also consume fresh fruits, raw vegetables, cooked sattvic meals, sprouted grains, which can help you to keep the balance between your body and mind, and also make a huge difference in your daily life. If you experienced any change in your energy level based on your diet, let me know in comments.